Have you overstayed your visa in Cambodia? This video will explain everything you need to know. The penalty, the $10 a day rule. The cost, the official fine for overstaying any Cambodian visa is $10 per day. The currency rule, Cambodia operates heavily in US dollars, and immigration will only accept cash. The warning, emphasize that the bills must be pristine. If a bill has a tiny tear, fold, or ink mark, the officers will reject it. Viewers must go to a bank or local money changer to get flawless cash before heading to immigration. Case A, overstays under 30 days, the easy fix. The process. If you have overstayed for 1 to 29 days, you do not need to visit an immigration office or hire an agent. What to do? You simply pack your bags, head to the airport counter, like Phnom Penh International Airport, and present your passport at the immigration desk during departure. The outcome, you pay the accumulated cash fine, $10 times number of days, get an exit stamp, and board your flight safely without a travel ban. Case B, overstays over 30 days, the exit visa process. The restriction, if you hit day 30 of an overstay, you can no longer just show up at the airport. You will be turned away at the gate. What to do? You must physically go to the General Department of Immigration located directly opposite the old airport terminal in Phnom Penh. The cost and timeline. You must pay the accumulated $10 per day fine, plus an extra $30 for an exit visa. The office will confiscate your passport for 2 to 3 working days to process it. Flight booking advice. You should not book a flight out until you physically have your passport back with the exit visa inside, as processing delays can happen. Case C, extreme overstays, months to years. The risk. If someone has overstayed for several months or years, the financial penalty climbs into the thousands of dollars. At this point, simply walking into a government building poses a severe risk of immediate detention, formal deportation, and a multi-year blacklist. How the process works. If you visit the General Department of Immigration located opposite the airport, you will have to speak at the counter to an officer. They will not arrest you. They will tell you to speak to your embassy. Once you have contacted your embassy, they will tell you that they can't help you, and you should go to the General Department of Immigration sending you in circles. This is where you must tell your embassy that they need to write a letter of apology to the Ministry of Interior. This can take up to 5 weeks. Once the letter has been sent, your embassy will update you. They will tell you to return to the Department of Immigration for an interview. At the interview, the officers will give you a piece of paper to write down your arrival, employment, and information details. Again, you will not be arrested at this point. They will send you away and tell you to wait for a phone call. The phone call can take from 1 to 4 weeks. They will tell you to return to the Department of Immigration. You should take your bags with you as you will likely be arrested at this point. Also, do not attend later in the day. Make sure you visit early in the morning or they will send you away again. The timeline of detention, 1 to 2 months average. You can expect to be detained in an immigration detention center for 1 to 2 months while your paperwork is processed. However, the reality of immigration detention in Cambodia is that there is no legal maximum time limit. You will sit there until your paperwork is sorted out before being deported. The long overstay deportation, 3 to 5 year blacklist. The rule. If you are arrested during a routine check, a workplace raid, or if you try to flee across a land border, you will be formally deported. The penalty. A formal deportation order triggers a 3 to 5 year ban from entering Cambodia. Your biometric fingerprints and passport data, collected via Cambodia's electronic scanning systems, will be blacklisted across all airports and land borders. The extreme overstay, permanent blacklist. The window, multiple years, or overstayers who cannot pay their fines. The rule. If someone has overstayed for years and has no money to clear their debt, they will sit in detention until their home country or family bails them out. The penalty. Because the Cambodian government has to use state resources to handle an indefinite detention, these individuals are almost always hit with a permanent, lifetime ban from ever returning to Cambodia. The bottom line is this. If your overstay is short, just head to the airport with clean cash and get it sorted. If it's long, do not wait for the police to find you. Go straight to your embassy or the immigration office. Keep your stamps clean, track your days, and you'll be completely fine. If this video saved you some stress, hit that like button and subscribe.